Hello everyone. Today this is Professor A.R. Shinde. Today we are going to see we will see the problems on CO2 or carbon dioxide enrichment. Okay. So we start from the title problems on CO2 enrichment theory. Mass concentration. It is the ratio of CO2 to mass of pure air plus mass of CO2. That is WC is equal to MC plus MC upon MA plus MC, where MC is the mass of CO2 and MA is the mass of pure air in a given volume of air carbon dioxide mixture. Second is volume concentration, that is YC. It is the ratio of volume of CO2 to volume of air plus volume of CO2, that is VA plus VC. So YC is equal to VC upon VA plus VC. Volume concentration in ppm, Yppm is commonly concentration of CO2 is expressed in terms of ppm for most of applications. It is expressed as Yppm is equal to Yc into 10 raised to 6. Mass volume concentration, that is rho c. It is defined as the ratio of mass of CO2 to the unit volume of the volume of mass of CO2. Okay? So first problem, atmospheric air is having concentration of 300 concentration of CO2 300 ppm. Express this concentration as first is volume concentration Yc, second is mass volume rho c at standard temperature and pressure. So first we'll solve the volume concentration, that is Yc. So Yc, we know the formula. Yc is equal to Yppm into 10 raised to minus 6. So Yppm is 300. 300 into 10 raised to minus 6 is equal to 0.0003 meter cube per meter cube. So because of the Yc formula, okay, meter cube per meter cube. Rho c, MC Yppm into 10 raised to 3 upon 24.45. This is the formula for mass volume at standard temperature and pressure for rho c. Okay, so is equal to 44 into 300 into 1000 upon 24.45 is equal to 539,877.3 microgram per meter cube. That also 1 kg is equal to 10 raised to 6 microgram. So rho c is equal to 539 kg per meter cube. So this was about the first problem. Second problem, calculate the concentration of CO2 in ppm inside greenhouse for 1 kg per meter cube at standard temperature and pressure. Solution, rho c is equal to 1 kg per meter cube, that is 1 into 10 raised to 6 microgram per meter cube. MC is equal to 12 plus 2 into 16 is equal to 44. So this is the mass concentration of CO2. Okay. Then rho c is equal to MC Yppm into 10 raised to 3 upon 24.45. So so from the formula, by substituting the value 1 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to 44 into Yppm into 10 raised to 3 upon 24.45. So Yppm is equal to 555.68 ppm. So this was the second problem. So this is so easy from the values or unit values. Okay. Next is amount of natural gas is required by grower. The amount of natural gas is required by a grower to raise the CO2 concentration from 100 to 800 ppm inside his greenhouse of 80 meter cube. Assume 1 meter cube of natural gas yields 538.715 meter cube of CO2. Actual CO2 concentration to be supplemented. So solution. So here the amount of natural gas required for grower is required here. So CO2 concentration is from 100 to 800 ppm inside the greenhouse of 80 meter cube. So greenhouse capacity is 80 meter cube. So assume 1 meter cube of natural gas is 538.715 meter cube of CO2. Okay, so this is the data they have given us. So now we will write the solution. Actual CO2 concentration to be supplemented. So actual CO2 concentration 100 to 800 ppm. So that is 700 ppm by subtracting the initial value, that is 800 minus 100, that is 700 ppm. Then YC is equal to Y ppm into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 700 into 10 raised to minus 6. That will be YC is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter cube per meter cube. For 80 meter cube greenhouse CO2 required is equal to volume of greenhouse into supplemented concentration of CO2 is equal to 80 into 7 into 10 raised to minus 4 by substituting the values of volume of greenhouse supplemented concentration. Okay, so is equal to the for 80 meter cube greenhouse CO2 required is equal to 0.056 meter cube. Amount of natural gas required is equal to CO2 required upon fuel rate is equal to 0.056 upon 538.715 is equal to 1.0395 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter cubes. This is the amount of natural gas required by the rover. Okay, so this was about the CO2 required problems. Thank you.